don't think I will ever go back to a mega corp again, just because of how great it is to work in a small organization with a smaller team. So that's just my bias, but it is a lot of fun. You have a lot more resources, you have a lot more devs, you have a lot more of the things that you sort of hope and dream for in a larger organization, but a lot more complexity too. And you have to get a lot more layers of buy-in from various teams and stakeholders. So there's trade-offs to both, but that was a really rewarding experience just because of the ownership we all had over the success of the product.
I love that. And I really appreciate how you say there's trade-offs in the smaller companies versus the enterprise. When we think about how we guide people in our careers and they have to figure out what is their most favorite part of their job, right? What is the thing that gets them jumping out of bed in the morning, like Renee and I do, to do product, is we are doing it in the environment that inspires us to do our best work. And I think if you could, that's so beautiful what you said there, that smaller teams create that environment for you that you feel like that is where you feel the most connected, the most valuable, and
Yes.
perhaps the most inspired to do the best work versus maybe say in an enterprise environment, it just doesn't really give you that connection to it the way that makes you thrive. It might be different for someone else,
Yep.
but for you, that's your secret ingredient.
Absolutely. I like accountability. I like being the person whose head is on the line if things need to get done, because I like to get things done, frankly. And it's a lot of fun for me to be empowered to do that, and for my opinion and perspective to be respected, and being like, okay, yeah, if that's what you think we should do, then make it so. And I will make it so. And that's super fun for me. So that's where I get my most enjoyment, I would say.